Afternoon again, YouTube. Well, I've had my lunch break at Lynmouth, and I've bumped into Craig and Albie and Goose and the rest of the Motourev crew on their tour of the area, which I didn't expect to see. Got the drone up as well, and I'm just going to head up to the Valley of the Rocks now to see if I can get the drone up again, and then I'll head back over the top via Simmons Bath, I expect, because that's a nice little route back. Starting to get a bit busier now. When I pulled up, I was the only bike here, which was a surprise. Right, let's go. Get up to the Valley of the Rocks, see if I can find it. Long time since I've been up there, so I was remembering it. This could be an interesting stretch of road. Afternoon. Not as bad as Portlock Hill, but not far from it. Oh, at Portlock Hill, I got stuck behind a coach going up. That wasn't very nice at all. I think I've gone the wrong way. I'm going into the town centre. Well, I think you got to go through here to get to it, aren't you? Yeah, because you come back through here afterwards to get back down. So I'm in Linton now instead of Lynmouth. Going down's a completely different route, so yep, they're down there. So that's where I'll go and park in, I think, actually. I might struggle to get her up on this, but that's a chance I'll have to take. Right, I'm at the Valley of Rocks, folks. I'll speak to you again later. morning again, YouTubers. Right, that's the Valley of the Rocks done. I got the drone up, bumped into Craig and the rest of them again, and this time I think I did manage to get them on with the drone, managed to get some footage of them. After they left the Valley of the Rocks, they were using the little back road. It's the opposite direction to what I need to go, so I'm heading back down now to head back towards Simmons Bath and back home. Right, going down into Linton and then into Lynmouth. Let's enjoy the ride back. I think this is a different route out for where I want to go. Don't have to go back down the bottom. Route I haven't done, this is, I don't think. Yeah, brings me out here, look. Now I'm back on the road I'm used to for coming out this way. That avoid me going back through Lynmouth. Which was much better. I do that all the time. I always think when I've stopped and had the drone up, I've left something behind. Took me around the houses a little bit. It might have been just as easy to have gone back through the village. Well, the town. But oh, now I think I am back on the right road. No, this isn't the route I normally come. Don't go over things like that. That was tight and uphill. But it was a slightly different route. I'm not complaining about that. Mix it up a little bit. Certainly don't recognise any of this. The road surface here is dire. I think I am going to end up back in Lynmouth. It was a roundabout way of getting to it instead of going through the town. It's more interesting, certainly more technical. But if you can do Porlock Hill, you should be able to do those. Been a good day. So met up with Craig and the lads, got the drone up in Lynmouth and at the Valley of the Rocks. Don't know what road this is, mind you. Well, it's a different route. And I've been enjoying it up until now. It's been a bit technical in places, but I think this is the route I was thinking of when I thought it was nasty on the America, wasn't it? I always thought going that other way it wasn't this tight. I think this was the route, wasn't it?